I'm in a toxic environment and it's difficult to be in the right state because my partner doesn't get me. We have kids together. It's not easy to just leave. I'm avoiding addressing issues for fear that we don't get anywhere to do our lack of communication skill. Just remind yourself right now, you don't have to do anything. You can only choose what you want to do for yourself. So give yourself the power of choice. What do you want to choose to do? If you choose to not confront what is, resolve what is, remember that's still a choice. Because you choosing to not change is still you choosing to not change. If you choose to face what is, then that's a choice. Remember, your life right now is a reflection of the choices you'll be making. So look at your results. If you're not happy with some of the results, infer the choice that you've been making that's led to that result. Then from there, maybe you want to conduct a new experiment. You want to try a new belief, new working hypothesis, make a new decision that's aligned with that hypothesis of how to view what is. Because remember, why confrontation happens is when two individuals are arguing their right story. Both individuals believe they are right. Confrontation happens from this. Making sense? One, person A has got a story, definitely right. Person B got a story, definitely right. Yes? So, confrontation happens when we're arguing both of our right story, and knowing that communication is a transference of energy. Why confrontations occurs even if you're not saying anything is because you're emitting the energy. I am right, you are wrong. You ever felt that energy from somebody? I am right, you are wrong. That energy always triggers confrontation. And speaking with somebody, but failing to acknowledge their story is a total waste of time. It really is. Because it is not persuasive. It never gets any outcome done. It's about you realizing what is your goal right now. Because imagine if you're an archer right now and you step up and you've got bow and arrow in your hand and you're about to pull back the arrow, you're about to shoot it, but then you blindfold yourself. You blindfold yourself, meaning you can't even see where the target is. When you agree, no matter how good you shoot this bow and arrow, it's not going to hit anything meaningful. Yeah or nay? And yet that's how most people approach relationships. We don't know why we're saying what we're saying. We don't even know where we're trying to get to because we're just stuck on the ground floor, not seeing it from a higher perspective. True, by the way. So ask yourself, what's the outcome you're wanting here? What's the outcome you're wanting here? Without knowing the outcome you desire, you're going to find yourself easily irritated by even the little things because like the archer, you're blindfolded to the target that you're trying to hit. So that way you can resolve the root cause of this issue here.